Hello, I'm Shayna. I'm here to report for training.
Welcome. I'm Gord. I'm the warehouse supervisor.
Nice to meet you, Gord. Thanks for taking the time to show me around.
Of course. So, for this quarter, you'll be working in quality control. Are you familiar with this department?
Not exactly. This is my first time working in a factory.
Okay. Basically, you'll be looking through the inventory and checking for defects.
Oh, I actually thought I was going to be working on the assembly line.
Not quite. Robots do most of the assembly work in this plant.
Robots? Interesting. What do they do exactly?
Well, they assemble and paint the parts. However, we use human workers to stock the products. Workers also inspect for defects before and after production.
I see. Well, I'd love to see the robots in action at some point.
We can arrange that, but it's a restricted area. You need special permission to gain access.
Oh, is that for safety reasons?
Yes, safety is key around here. You'll need some steel-toe boots and a hard hat. In fact, a safety course is on the agenda for this afternoon.
Great. I'm sure there's a lot to learn.
Yes, but first, there's some paperwork I need you to fill out. I'll also show you the schedule so you know when to take your breaks.
Ellii.